Hey guys, welcome back to Ranger Survival and Fieldcraft. I'm Andrew, and what I have for you today is our ammo pouch survival kit. Stand by. Hey, before we start, like and subscribe. Thanks. Alright guys, so we've got our military ammo pouch survival kit. It's just a double magazine pouch, BDU style, just means old. And then it has a button fastener, some Velcro, and it's closed on both sides, as you can see, with this long lip on the front to really contain all the items in our kit. Now this kit is designed to be a grab and go kit, so it's going to have items in here for survival, but they're not going to be as durable or long lasting as some of the other items we would typically carry in a survival kit. And along with that, when I add a fixed blade knife for our kit today, why not pair a fixed blade knife with a kit that may not be as long lasting, but having that fixed blade knife gives us that extra edge, no pun intended, for survival. So why don't we lay these items out really quick? We'll go over them one by one, and then we're going to survive with them today. Stand by. All right, so here's our pouch, here's our knife. Real quick, going over the knife, Kydex sheath, ESEE 4, approximately 4 inches of cutting surface right here. It's just a flat grind knife. Micarta handle, full tang, good for bashing the crap out of wood and for a survival situation. So this is going to be our knife for our kit. I'm going to go ahead, put this in the Kydex sheath and then attach it to my belt. All right, good to go. So here's our ammo pouch. Now with the ammo pouch, it is stuffed full of things, so we're just going to open the kit and go item by item as we pull them out. There's really no methodology to this other than trying to get as many items in this kit as possible without breaking anything, and then having at least all the items for the 7 priorities of survival. So without further ado, notice the fastener button here, the Velcro, and we'll just open her right up. Right, for that first item, just an army cravat. What can't you do with a piece of cotton cloth like this? Green, we can use it for camouflage. 100% cotton, we can use it for char cloth. We can use this to strain or collect water in. And then we can use it for a medical device such as a splint or a sling, even a pressure dressing. So cravat's going to be our first item. Next item is a Petzel headlamp, very small. We can use, it's got white light, bright and low, even a strobe. Same for red. And then a red light, we can lock it in place or turn it off. Very compact, easy to carry for nighttime operations, seen in the dark, and then signaling as well. So this is going to go inside our kit. Next, just a couple of zip ties thrown in there for lashing and quick lashing. We can use these to lash our strainer up. We can use these for lashing our knife to our kit, but having these makes lashing just a little bit easier. So zip ties are going to go in our kit. Next item is going to be a whistle for signaling, too easy. After that, we have a couple of wet fire tinder cubes for emergency fire starting, too easy. All right, next item is the smaller version of Paracord, still pretty strong. We can fit a lot of it. This is approximately 25 feet, just hanked up, that we can fit inside our kit for lashing and binding and construction. Next item, that handy dandy Ferro Rod for emergency fire starting. We have a Fresnel lens using the sun's rays for fire starting. Next is a Mylar blanket, emergency shelter type. This is OD green on one side and that silver Mylar color on the other. You can use it for a shelter or a quick blanket. Next item, 2 Whirl-Pak bags for water treatment. These are plastic bags, strong, and inside you'll notice we have 2 sachets of water treatment tablets in each bag with 6 tablets each, so we can treat 12 quarts of water. A lot of water right here in these 2 compact bags. Next, just a cut-off portion of a VS17 panel. Bright orange on one side, OD green on the other. Use this VS17 panel for signaling during daylight hours. Next, another fire starter, Magnesium Bar. Scrape off the magnesium on this side, Use the striker on this side to ignite it. Good fire starter, especially in a cold, wet environment or a tropical environment where there's a lot of humidity and moisture. Next item, signaling mirror. Use a signaling mirror to signal. You guys have seen me advocate for signaling mirrors ad nauseum on my channel, so signaling mirrors for signaling. Next item is a Leatherman Wave, black in color, so it's kind of subdued in the background. I was able to fit this in. We have a way to cut items, process wood, process game, and even manipulate trash or materials we find. So this Leatherman is going to be part of our kit, very handy tool to have. Next we have that match safe with the striker on top, and then that emergency ferro rod on bottom, which you guys have seen be used to light a match without a striker. And then inside we have matches, but not only that, but also a small button compass for direction finding and land navigation. Hey, let me show you something real quick. Alright, this is an improvised compass made out of office magnets and thread. Now the magnets are stuck together with a piece of thread in between so we can suspend it. Painted one red, one black. Black is south, red is north. This will give us our 4 cardinal directions. This is a very easy way to make an improvised compass, and it can be concealed in our clothing or on our person very easily. So I just wanted to show you that really quick. Another improvised way to make a compass and find cardinal directions for land navigation. Alright, next item is a hank of snare wire. This is 24 gauge snare wire that we can use for snaring game, trapping game, repair, whatever it may be. This is actually wire that I acquired from a perimeter security tripwire kit for a flare. So use this for securing food. Next is just a mini sewing kit. It's a razor blade wrapped with thread. There's tape around the razor blade to protect the thread. We've got some safety pins and then a needle in there for repair. It's a very small compact kit that we were able to fit inside. Next, just a hank of 100-mile-an-hour tape. You can do a lot of things with duct tape. Good survival item. And our last item is another tape sachet with fish hooks, sinkers, and swivels to pair up with our fishing line to go out and catch some fish. Pouch is all empty. That was it. Alright guys, that does it for our magazine ammo pouch survival kit. So I hope you liked this video. If you did like the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment in the comment section. I appreciate your feedback. I want to thank you guys for everything you do for me, for the channel, for your likes, your views, your subscriptions, your comments, your feedback, and your shares. I'll be back with another video as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.